What's up YouTube, it's your boy James back with another video, and today we're going to take a look at a pair of Air Jordan 1 mids and the legendary Bred colorway. Now going way back to 1985 when Michael Jordan wore the original OG Air Jordan 1 sneaker on the basketball court, legend has it that he was fined by the NBA $5,000 per game for wearing this colorway because he violated what was at the time the 51% rule, which required NBA players to wear 51% white sneakers on the court. Now there is some people out there that says that Michael Jordan actually was never fined, but Nike claims to have paid his fines every time that he wore that colorway on the basketball court, as it was deemed the devil's colors and definitely a violation of the NBA uniform policy in those days. Now whether Michael Jordan was actually fined for wearing these sneakers or not, one thing is for sure, the Air Jordan 1 became one of the most popular sneakers ever in the history of human beings, and the colorway that was put on these shoes is still a very popular colorway to this day. So recently, Jordan Brand just dropped the Air Jordan 1 Mid in this Bred colorway, and I actually have a pair in hand. So in today's video, what we're going to do is we're going to unbox these sneakers. I'm going to do a full detailed review. I'm going to hit you with it on feet, and then I'm going to leave you with my thoughts and opinions on the Air Jordan 1 Mid Bred. I'd like to welcome back all my returning viewers and subscribers. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Every like and comment helps the channel grow tremendously, and I can't thank you guys enough. But if this is your first time visiting the channel, my name is James and I do reviews on sneakers, gear, and sports related items. And if you guys could do these things that I like and destroy that like button for me, I would really appreciate it. And if you're new or you haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I drop a video and you don't miss anything. So a couple of weeks ago, Nike was having their membership appreciation week, and they had different sales and stuff like that. And one of the items that they actually had available for exclusive access was this Air Jordan 1 Mid Bred colorway. And I got the notification on my phone. I went immediately to the website, you know, because I already have an account and everything like that. And I was trying to put these in my cart and they were sold out. Now the website said that I had until 8 p.m. to claim these shoes, but you know, I guess they sent it out to a lot of people and they were just sold out immediately. So even though Nike tried to hook me up with a pair of these shoes, I did end up taking an L on them. And I'm a big fan of the Bred colorways or the reverse Bred colorways, so it actually ate at me that I didn't get these sneakers. So because I really wanted these sneakers, I actually went to my GOAT app and was looking at the resale prices and seeing if, if I was able to purchase these sneakers for a decent price. And as it turned out, the resale prices in my size actually wasn't that bad, so I did end up placing an order through GOAT to pick up these Air Jordan 1 mids. So after the cost of the shoe and the shipping, I ended up paying $165 to get these shoes in hand. Now the retail price tag on these sneakers were $115, so for like an additional $50, I didn't feel like it was like that big of a deal to pay an extra $50 for a pair of shoes in the colorway that I wanted. Alright, so my package just arrived from GOAT, and here is the box, and I'm gonna open these up for you guys. Alright, so here's our box. Nothing else in there. Alright, so here you got your standard, Jordan 1 low, Jordan 1 mid box, and it's black. Got the gold Jumpman on the top of the lid. Got a gold Jumpman on the other side here. And then you got the number 23 in gold. And the size tag reads Air Jordan 1 Mid, black, gem red, white, and this is a size 8. Alright, so you got your white tissue paper with the gold 23 imprint all over the entire thing. And here we go. BAM! So inside the shoebox, they actually give you a GOAT sticker. And then there's another card that says GOAT, and this is actually the quality control and authentication process, so it's GOAT verified. and they, you know, looked at each shoe, looked at the condition of the box and all that stuff, the condition of the shoes, and then actually did a hole punch on the things that, you know, they authenticated. But yo, these things are clean. Very, very dope colorway. And I know, you know, it's not an OG high or anything like that, but, you know, it is a pretty dope shoe, you know, even though it's a mid. I rock with mids, I don't care. But now that we got these sneakers out of the box, let's go ahead and take an up close look at the Air Jordan 1 Mid Bred. Now here's our first up close look at this Air Jordan 1 Mid. Now most times on the mids, what they do is they use like a combination of real leather and synthetic leather. But according to the description on GOAT and Nike, when I was originally going to purchase these, they're saying it's leather. So we're just going to go with that. All right, so starting at the top, you have this black leather. And then when you come down here, you have this red part right here with the black and red Jordan Wings logo. Then you have a red heel. You have the red Nike swoosh. In the middle of the shoe, you have this black leather panel right there that goes all the way around the front toe box. And then you have your all-white midsole that wraps around the entire shoe. Moving to the front of the shoe here, you have your red leather with your perforated holes. And then you have your black laces. No other laces come in the box. Then moving up to the top, you have your black nylon tongue with the black patch. And it has a red Jumpman and Air in red. All right, and then on the back of the shoe, you have that black leather upper. And then you have the red leather in the mid and ankle portion of the sneaker. Inside the shoe, you have a black sock liner with a black insole with the red Jumpman. Now I'm really happy to get these into the collection, and even though I took an L, you know, through the exclusive access at Nike.com, I was still able to get these fairly cheap, so I'm happy to add them. And, you know, this colorway is legendary. It's nice to have. But let me go ahead and throw these things on and show you what they look like on feet. Now, GOAT actually got me these very, very quickly. I actually bought these from a seller. They had to ship them to GOAT to be verified, and then GOAT sent them to me. And I got these in a week. And GOAT has been sort of like my go-to, you know. I haven't really been using StockX. Nothing against StockX, you know. All my experiences with them have been pleasant, except for the fact that it kind of takes forever to get my shoes. Now, when it comes to this particular sneaker, I'm very happy with my purchase. This colorway is sick. And I'm glad to add this to the collection because the colorway is legendary. This is going to look really dope with any of my Chicago Bulls gear. You know, anything black and red, it's going to look sick. But I want to know what you think. Drop a comment down below and let me know what you think of these sneakers. Is this a cop? Is this a pass? Are these ugly? Is this trash? Drop a comment down below and let me know what you think. I'd like to thank you all for rocking out with me and watching this video. Before you guys bounce out, if you haven't done so already, please destroy that like button for me. I'd really appreciate it. And if you're new or you haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I drop a video on sneakers, gear, or sports related items. And until next video, peace.